Because you are a special guest, we'll start from you. What sort of services or what you say, the buzzwords you would like to see in a new banking services scenario?
Yeah, I think the most used word will be swapping. So changing one currency to another currency is the most important. And of course, here we see the scope of problems. Gas fees, ability to change one currency to another fast, because sometimes it takes time, as you know, right? To wait for your money on the account, depending on what you're using, especially if you're using your exchanges. You might see the difference between you get your money and spend your money, right? So swapping is the word, and it's the most important instrument here in the DeFi. At the same time, it's not only about that, but it's as well one of the important thing is custody, right? So custodian services to keep and store your cryptocurrencies. And here as well, it's a big risk because, as you know, the security matters. So definitely it's very interesting. And of course, as we know, especially for European countries, in 2025, we're expecting, new regulation on MiCA side. So taxation and legal consequences of holding crypto or selling crypto is another big issue. Maybe that's something that I would like to highlight, but I think that I could take stage forever in case we will will deep dive there. But I think, yeah, so this is the main things what I would like to.